Good morning to everyone. Today I will be dealing with specification of athletic events including equipments. Specification of athletic event including equipments. So let us see first short put. Here men, this side women. Weight of the shot. (7.265 kg to 7.285 kg. For women's 4.005 to 4.025 kg. Second one, angle of the sector. Angle of the sector 34.92 degree. For women's also it is same, 34.92 degree. Third one, diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle is 2.135 In case of women, it remains same, that is 2.135. This one is in meter. Fourth one, stop board. Stop board or toe board. Stop board or toe board. So 112 mm to 300 mm wide and 98 to 102 mm, that is height. In case of the women's also it remains same. Fifth one, that is diameter of the shot. Diameter of the shot 110 to 130 mm. In case of women's, it is 95 to 110 mm. Now sixth one, that is white line. Five centimeter wide and 0.75 meter long both the sides. Long both the sides. In case of women, it remains same. Now let us see the discus. Here also men and women. So weight of the discus. Weight of discus. For men it is 2 kg and women it is 1 kg. Second one, diameter of the circle. Diameter of circle, that is 2.5 m. Here in case of women's also it is same. Third one, angle of the sector. Angle of sector, that is 34.92 degree. Here also in case of women it is same, 34.92 degree. Fourth one, outside diameter of metal ring. Outside diameter of metal ring, that is 219 to 221 mm in case of men, and in case of women it is 182 mm. Now let us see the another event, javelin. Here also it is men, women. So weight of the javelin, weight of javelin, for men it is 800 gram, for women it is 600 gram. Second one, length of the runway. Length of runway, that is 36 meter. In case of women also it remains same. Third one, 2 parallel lines. Third one, as I told, 2 parallel lines 4 meter apart for men as well as women. Fourth one, length of the javelin, that is 260 centimeter to 270 centimeter for men, whereas in case of women it is 220 centimeter to 230 centimeter for women. Angle of the sector for javelin throw, it is 29 degree for men as well as 29 degree for women. Third one, as I told, 2 parallel lines 4 meter apart for men as well as women. Fourth one, length of the javelin, that is 260 centimeter to 270 centimeter for men, whereas in case of women it is 220 centimeter to 230 centimeter for women. Angle of the sector for javelin throw, it is 29 degree for men as well as 29 degree for women.